Okay, hey guys, this is Tim, this is David, and Shana's on the camera. We're all from Punk Rope. And so we've been working with David for a little bit. David's a great jumper. One thing he's been trying to get is crosses, and we're gonna work on that. We thought it would be useful to show the folks at home how this process goes. So David, why don't you just do a couple of regular jumps? I'm gonna get out of the way, and then try a cross or two, okay? And we'll take a look at that. Nice. Okay, so that first one was pretty awesome, right? Yeah. Let's try one more time. Okay. Good. Wow. Well, they're looking so much better. Right?
Yeah, you've mastered the timing.
Yeah.
Timing.
Because earlier, like when I first because I remember you told me when I first started coming here, you said do it on like a 3 count. And like,
Yeah.
But I always get like my like which hand's gonna lead, so I always get that confused.
Right.
I'm right-handed, so
Yeah.
I'm confused with my right and my left hand. Like which one's gonna go first?
Right. Yeah. But that.
When I started, I only
great.
crossed with my right for at least a couple years. Yeah.
That was really smooth.
Yeah.
The timing was really good. You didn't get tangled up at all. Does it feel different than it did before?
Yeah, I just like, especially like on the 3 count, like I jump 3 times, and then now I'm learning to put like my right hand over my left.
Yeah.
But it's still like even in class, like today, like those like it's going like, at like a fast rate. I'm like I'm trying to like keep up. So it's like,
Right. Okay. But when you slow it down, does that make it more comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm just like keep thinking, oh, that 3 count, 1, 2, 3, and then I cross.
And then
1,
you
2, 3,
cross.
and then I cross there.
Yeah. And then the uncross is looking pretty smooth. It's looking good.
Yeah.
The feet are looking good.
And that's another thing too. Like my feet, like I think I always do like this, but now I'm watching Shana, and like it's just like feet like straight and like.
Yeah.
They're not just straight, but they're actually turned in towards each other.
Yeah.
Pigeon-toed.
Yeah, well, Shana's are. But no, your feet look good. They're parallel.
Yeah.
That's nice. Let's try it one more time. I just want to take another look and.
You know, you
Yeah.
could count out the 1, 2, 3 would be demonstrative,
Oh.
or maybe Tim can. We're there.
Well, it's probably better if
Yeah.
David does it. 'Cause
Oh, my
it's,
head?
Yeah.
it's his timing. I think so in your
Yeah.
head, because you don't. Yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's one more thing to worry about.
Okay.
The viewers at home.
Oh, that's-
Yeah.
Nice. Yes. Good.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can hear the rhythm to it, where the dun
Yeah,
dun
that
dun
1, 2,
dun
3,
dun
boom.
dun
1,
dun
2,
dun
3,
dun
boom.
dun.
Very consistent. So sometimes on the uncross, you get caught. It looks like.
Yeah, and that's why it's hard for
Yeah.
me to like do like when Johnny like keep doing the crossing. Like, I can't do that. They're
continuous.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're continuous. Like, when you,
Okay, but you'll get there. But that looks.
Yeah, I just gotta practice more and stuff.
Yeah, that's looking really good. Nice job. That was awesome. Yeah, so we were thinking this would be a more of a basic tutorial, but you really got it.
No, I still need
So
help.
all right. I know, and this is such a big. So what would be the next goal to do? Longer.
Maybe more in a
Or
row.
more in
Is
a
that-
row?
is
Yeah,
that-
more in a row, and like if I keep practicing, maybe I could do like what you be doing in class, like the like on the continuous basis.
Oh,
like,
the swing into the
but
cross.
I can't-
Without
Not
the-
now, yeah.
Got it. Right. So instead of 1, 2, 3, it's go.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
yeah. But
Gotcha.
for now, it's the 1, 2, 3 because like that's the rhythm that I have. Right
Yeah,
now.
that's fine. No,
Yeah.
that's really smart. That's the way to progress it.
Yes.
Awesome. Well, thank you, David.
Thank you.
Thanks for
Thanks,
watching,
David.
guys.
Thank you.
And subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's